What are we going to do today?
Make a robot hand!
Yeah!
Here's what you'll need. Mark the joints. Cut each joint. An adult should do that. Cut the string. Thread the fingers. Shake it down. Now pull. Loosen it up. Test it out. Use some modeling clay. Line up your straws. Now give it a try.
Our skeleton protects us, gives us support, and helps us to move. A human skeleton is moved when muscles contract and pull on tendons, which are attached to bones. Engineers use this knowledge to make prosthetic limbs and robots.